with Galaxy SmartTag. Galaxy SmartTag allows you to take charge of your everyday belongings in an extraordinary way. It's a small, portable device you'll be able to easily attach to the things you love most, whether or not they have their own connection. And its coin-sized battery lasts for months, so you can trust that SmartTag will help you track down your favorite things, even if they've been gone for a while. Imagine that you left your door open and your dog ran off. You'd feel panicked, not knowing where your pet is gone. With Galaxy SmartTag on his collar, you'll be able to track him using SmartThings Find. If he's far away, the SmartTag on your dog's collar can send Bluetooth signals to a community of nearby Galaxy users who can help you track it down. The Galaxy Find network that powers SmartThings Find is encrypted from end to end, so you can track down your SmartTag while keeping all data from Galaxy users in the network untraceable. Once SmartThings Find locates your SmartTag, it will notify you about its whereabouts, and you'll experience the relief that comes from reuniting with your dog. You can attach a SmartTag to your wallet, your suitcase, or even your bicycle. And if you have trouble finding your SmartTag, you'll be able to ring it and follow the sound. And we've made sure you'll love your SmartTag as much as you love the things you put it on. We've made cases to fit all your needs and to show off your unique style.
Convenience for your smart home. With a Galaxy SmartTag and SmartThings, your home can be smarter than you think. With SmartTags, your smart home just got way more convenient. Turn your Galaxy SmartTag into a smart controller. With just a simple click, easily control your IoT devices and make your home smarter. SmartTags can control various IoT devices with just a click of a button, so you can turn on the lights in your home before you even step inside.
Bake just